You do not need a studio budget to win with video. Start simple. Pick one audience. Pick one goal. Shape your video for the platform, not the other way around. YouTube needs video SEO, playlists, and consistent uploads. Reels and TikTok need strong hooks and tight cuts. Facebook likes captions and local reach. Go live each week to spark real-time interaction. Use clean storytelling. Hook, problem, promise, proof, offer. Keep your visual branding steady so fans spot you in seconds. Shoot smart with basic camera techniques, lighting, and sound. In post-production, trim fast and add captions. Special effects are a spice, not the meal. Distribute like a pro. Email your best clip. Partner with influencers who love your niche. Use paid video ads to retarget viewers who already watched. Measure weekly. Track watch time, engagement, and conversions. A/B test thumbnails, hooks, and CTAs. Improve one thing at a time. Want this system done for you? Start with a free MarketinGear strategy call. The next sold-out night can be yours.